I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up a payment gateway on eBay can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it can be straightforward. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by signing into your eBay seller account. This is where you will manage all your listings and payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account section from the drop-down menu. This is where you can find payment options and other account settings. Step 3. Select payment method. In the payment options, choose the method you want to set up. eBay typically supports various gateways, so pick the one that suits your needs best. Step 4. Enter your gateway details. Input the required information for your chosen payment gateway. This may include API keys, merchant ID, or bank details. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Save and test your setup. After entering your details, save the changes. It is a good idea to run a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. Check the confirmation screen for any errors. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check the payment gateway documentation for specific requirements. Good luck with your eBay sales.